Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Pokemon Go spoofer on your phone in 2024. No jailbreak, guys, and it works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got the joystick, and it's just crazy, bro. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, yeah, this is crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do is go to the site. It's called Zoomods. So let me just type it in right here. Here it is, and type in Pokemon, and as you can see it says Pokemon Go Spoofer. Press on that, wait for it to download, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane. So yeah, if you go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go Spoofer, as you can see, guys, there's no results. So the only way to get the spoofer is to go to Zoomods. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane. It actually works, guys. So yeah, I'm not someone that has any sort of money. I'm not going to pretend I do. So this is the only way I can get a spoofer, and it actually is pretty legit. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane. Fully works, guys. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, it's super insane, guys. You get so many settings with this. The enhanced throw thing sucks though, because you gotta throw the ball right. But it's super good features in the spoofer. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. Fully works on iOS and Android. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe. But yeah, this is super cool, fully updated and everything. And yeah, it's got like crazy features and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Subscribe and peace out, guys. So cool.